Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today's presentation, I will be explain about entrepreneurship, literature, and investment on livestock in WOTAWATI village, GIRISUBO district, Gunung Kidul. This I'm Wisnu Rubiyanto as a leader of this community service program with the team members Dr. Susanawati and Dr. Widodo in the Department of Faculty Agribusiness of Agriculture, Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta. And the program of scheme of this community service is Sekolah Umum or General School. So the background of this study, we concerned about the ruminant livestock population in Indonesia is increasing, showing steady growth from 2017 to 2022. Especially in the GIRISUBO district and Gunung Kidul had approximately 24,589 residents in the middle 2023, within Gunung Kidul Regency, which totals up to 700 inhabitants, and the region is characterized by karst terrain, water scarcity, and challenged rural livelihoods. And 98% of livestock in Indonesia are owned by small-scale farmers, demonstrating the critical structural role of rural investment in livestock productions. And the Gen Z engagement or young generation in this study area in Indonesia and Gunung Kidul and Yogyakarta, although 81% of Indonesian Gen Z prioritize environmental protection over economic growth, only up to 22% of our agricultural workforce were millennials in 2023, indicating youth disinterest despite high awareness of environmental and rural issues. Many young families, including elementary school students and their parents influenced by globalization and social media, tend to view livestock farming as unnecessary, low prestige, and outdated. So the key research concerns in this program: how do young generation and their family perceive livestock farming, and what motivations sustain those who invest in livestock despite prevalent negative views. And the objective of the study, understanding young generation and their families perceive sustainable livestock farming, and the target is the elementary school student and their families. And the methodology is quantitative and qualitative method with a mixed method with the FGDs, and also we collect the question variables like livestock practice, motivation of investment, perception of livestock value, and measurement is the rank Sperman scale for the correlation analysis between the perception and investment motivations, with the identification of relationship between the fattening period and the cost, and also the pre-test and the post-test related to entrepreneurship literature on the livestock investment. And this is the findings of the results, which is this of the combination of the feeding types, and we can see that the black one is the coarsest feed is a general feeder from the nature. So source of feeding still depending on the availability from nature and also the agricultural practice, but there is no investment on feeding livestock. Also, the period of fattening in the study area is quite long, for about 12 months. Meanwhile, in Yogyakarta, according to Widyati and Matsuri 2016, smallholder beef cattle fattening in Yogyakarta up to 3.6 months average fattening period and optimal recommendation. So most farmers in here, we can see in the table in the right top, is at 68.42% use the combination 2 for fattening. Courses feed and the reinforcing feed. The combination 3 and 4, yes, more expensive, but are more faster. We can see the orange and the blue one. So the final results, according to the literation of the entrepreneurship, we can see that almost all respondents in this study, they improve understanding of key investment concept. The post-test results show the increase in comprehension for most topics, particularly on livestock as an investment options, 100%, investment literacy 100%, and product diversification 100%, indicating the training effectively strengthened participant understanding of essential entrepreneurship principle in livestock and enhance awareness of business management skills, the knowledge on factor before starting a business, group advantage, and the financial reporting and the risk management improved from pre-test to post-test. For example, risk management rose from 62.5 to 79.17%, demonstrating the better preparedness in managing livestock enterprise strategically. And the last one, this program command for need for a reinforcement in the market and a basic entrepreneurship concept, because the slight decline in the scores of for basic entrepreneurship and the market analysis for 95.83% to 87.5 suggests the need for further emphasis on this area to ensure the participant retain foundational business knowledge alongside applied investment practice, especially in the period of the fattening and also the combination of the feeding for the livestock. And the conclusion of this study is a feeding and fattening practice. Livestock fattening in the study area still relies heavily on natural feed resource with no dedicated investment in feeding, and the average fattening period is long, up to 12 months and sometimes more, compared to the optimal 3.6 months in Yogyakarta. And socialization on the livestock investment is needed in the study area. And efficiency and investment potential, most farmers use the combination coarse feed and reinforcing feed, which is cost effective but slower, while with the combination 3 and 4 are more expensive. They offer shorter fattening periods and greater profitability, indicating an opportunity for efficiency improvement through targeted feed investment. And this is the program documentation. We gather all the elementary school students and their family in the same time, and we share and we how can I say we sent the questionnaire and we asked some questions to them, and then they answer according to their local knowledge. Thank you very much for your for your participation and for your attention and for your understanding. See you again, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.